lovely actress on set instead of the trainer who, of course, has to stand off camera. Stay. Now, to set this whole scene up, I'll start by placing one of Sunny's favorite treats right there on the ground for him to focus on. Good boy. I'll then move behind him and use only verbal commands to... Grace, that treat was for the dog. It's disgusting. Did you eat that? Okay, we're gonna try this again. One of Sundance's favorite treats. Stay. Here we go, folks. This is the workaway. Good boy, watch. On your feet. Stay. Very good, watch. Lay down. Lay down. Stay. Head down. Head down. Head up. On your feet. Feet. No, feet. On your feet. Stay. Go on. Go on. Stay. Back up. Speak. Speak. Attack. Just kidding. All right, let's hear it for Sunday for the workaway. All right, Grace, we need your help with one more scene, okay? Now, this is Sunny's dramatic ending scene. I just need you to do one thing. At the very end, Sunny is going to jump in your lap, and you're going to let him give you a big sloppy kiss. Are you ready for that? Okay. Come here. I know you're very excited. Good boy. Stay. Open those arms, Grace. Get ready. Here we go. Quiet on the set. Cue music. Take one. Action. You've got to leap into her. Uh-oh. Wait, he fell over. This isn't part of the scene. Nobody panic. Sundance? Oh no, Sundance! Wake up! Oh, I think he's dead. You're dead. It's not funny. You're dead. You're dead. All right, hang on. I have an idea. Eric, God bless you. I think he's dead this time. But you know what? It's actually a shame that Sundance is dead because right before the show, I got a phone call from his agent, and they were going to offer him a movie deal. It's worth $1 million. $2 million. Seriously? All right, how about a date with her? Let's hear it for Sundance. He did a great job. Take two. There we go. That's much better. Great job, Sundance. Oh my goodness. Grace, I didn't get you that kiss. Stay there. Is there a movie star? Beethoven. Beethoven's going to give her some kisses. Give her a kiss. Give her another one. One more. Oh, that's a great dog. Thanks, Beethoven. How about a round of applause for Miss Grace in the round? Thank you, Julie. Go ahead and return to your seat. All right, folks. For our next animal star, I'd like everybody to please focus their attention on that big silver door with the X on it. But it is very, very important that everyone please remain seated during this part of the show. Because flying